From this to this. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to make your pictures HD, clear, and smooth. So let's get started. First, go to Play Store if your phone is Android. If your phone is iPhone, go to App Store. Search this. Then download this. If you're done to download, go to Home, then open it. Now choose your gender. Click this and choose your picture you want to make your pictures HD, clear, and smooth. So if you're done to choose, click this. Now wait this until the uploading the photo is done. So watch the difference in this. By the way, it doesn't end here yet. So make sure to watch until the end for best result. Okay, thank you. So in this, go back to Home and also download picsart. So if you're done to download, open it. Now choose the picture you saved earlier, then click Done. Click the picture you saved earlier. Then now click this. Then click this. Click this again. Then adjust this to 20%. Now click Apply in the upside button, then save it. So that's for all in this video. Watch this picture's different.